You got yourself in trouble, didn't you? Get out of it. That's right. All done? Look at Mommy. Hi. Where's Mama? Say hi. Psst. Oh, that's heavy. How do you need to drop that on your toe? Say hi. Look at Mommy. So busy. Say hi. Hi, how are you?
Yeah.
Say hi.
Yeah.
Do you want to, Charlotte, you want to go outside? You go outside? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Put that back in the fridge, please. Put it back. Back. Put it back. Mmm, is it yummy? Say hi. Hi. Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Is Daddy? Daddy's not coming. I'm sorry. He's gone to work. Yeah. Say bye-bye. Bye, Mickey. Say bye, Mickey. See you next time. Bye, Mickey.